Hello family, how are you? I'm Betty Lascano and today I bring you a hair cutting tutorial. Do you have long, beautiful and cherished hair that you absolutely love but want to get a stylish and trendy cut without sacrificing too much of your precious length? I just want to tell you that with the cut we're only going to remove the damaged parts. The cut will undoubtedly have a lot of movement, giving a contemporary and stylish touch to your image, which is absolutely and extremely important because there are many girls who have very long hair and don't get cuts for fear of losing it. I want to tell you that you can get haircuts that give you a more modern and stylish look while always having beautiful, long and luscious hair. Let's start with this tutorial. I'm going to show you a very easy and simple technique to do and elegant. You can also have voluminous hair. I will start by showing you how I sectioned my model's hair. I separated the hair into an inverted V shape at the bangs, then made a section about 4 centimeters above the ear, created a middle part, and left all the hair loose while separating the crown. This is the way to section. For this haircut, I want you to observe the length of my model's hair. I am going to take all the hair as Mali has very little hair. I'm going to carefully pull the one in the center very precisely and cut approximately about 2.5 cm. Since we just recently did the coloring for her and it's really important to trim the ends exactly right. She likes her hair long, which is why we are going to use this cutting technique to maintain the length and also remove the sensitized ends. I cut the entire back straight and even, and when I move to the side, I take my section behind the ear, bring it to the front, and cut it diagonally, very carefully and precisely, with great attention to detail. I gather a little bit more hair from the back, bring it very carefully to the front, and cut it the same way again. This haircut is absolutely ideal for any type of face, as the front part is incredibly well-defined, well-textured, and gives the hair a very modern, very beautiful, stylish look and feel to your hair. Once the bottom part is carefully cut, I will then comb the entire top part and divide it into two. I am going to take my first section following the guide of the previous section, making a half moon shape. We separate the hair, comb it at 0 degrees, and I am going to cut it with the previous transparency. First, I take my section from the center and cut it at 0 degrees, following the previous guide. It is extremely important to mark the guide very clearly, very carefully, and precisely well. If you observe, I am carefully following exactly the same procedure as the previous cut. So, we keep cutting the hair. When we get to the sides, we comb everything to the front. We place our fingers diagonally and cut just below the last layer. I make sure to comb it perfectly well to avoid any tangles or uneven sections. Then, I cut again to ensure a smooth and even finish. This method ensures that the haircut is consistent and looks professional. If you notice, Mali has very little hair that reaches the ends. She hardly ever cuts it. We just did a color job on her and her ends are a little bit more sensitized, damaged. That's why it's important after you get a color treatment to cut your hair, even if it's just the ends, to remove the dehydrated parts. The entire cut at the back is done in the same way, following the same pattern, entirely, carefully, and precisely. This is a very extremely simple cut that you can do easily and safely at home. Once all of the hair is cut, we will very carefully take portions of hair from both sides and bring them to the front in order to check that they are even. Suddenly, you might see one side longer than the other, but it's because of the camera movement. Now we move on to the bangs. We comb everything forward, very well combed. And here you will cut depending on the length you desire. I cut approximately about 3 cm or so. Now I am going to carefully blend the bangs with the sides, placing my fingers diagonally, and I will precisely cut to seamlessly connect the entire front part with the bangs, ensuring a smooth and even transition. I comb thoroughly, meticulously, and with precision to ensure that there are no stray ends. To finish, I will carefully and gradually divide from ear to ear, make a partition this way, and thoroughly comb all the hair forward to check that there are no stray ends. With this, the hair will be absolutely and completely perfectly cut, and there definitely won't be any longer ends left. This is a technique I recommend for those of you who are just starting out and have doubts about whether you left the hair perfectly even. Follow this procedure. Once they have cut everything 0 degrees, they take small sections and lift them to 135 degrees. They are going to style it, lifting the section to 135 degrees, then cutting off the little tip that sticks out. When you cut this corner, this excess corner, this effect will slightly give you that faded look on the cheeks. When you actually see a haircut that looks really pointed at the front, it is basically because it is lifted in this way. When you have a bit little hair, as is the case with Mali, you lift it this way and carefully cut this tip to give that effect. If Mali had a lot of hair, we could also slide the scissors and cut it to make it more faded, but since she has little hair, this technique is enough and the ends of the hair will be very well defined. In this case, which is why we use this technique to ensure the ends of the hair are very well defined. To finish with Molly, Steffi will be in charge of the makeup and cosmetics, and Katie will handle the hairstyle and hairdo. And to protect the hair, she will apply Yenvir's liquid sculpting gel, which is a heat protectant that adds body without leaving the hair heavy or weighed down. With this gel, your hairstyles definitely last longer and have a lot of movement. Here we are already seeing the final result of Mali. If you observe, we cut a very minimal amount of length, but with that minimal cut, we gave the hair a completely different touch, a much more modern touch. This particular haircut is ideal for people with chubby or round faces, or any type of face really. It is a cut that is very flattering, giving a fresh, youthful, and modern look. It balances the face beautifully and works exceptionally well for any age group, making it versatile and stylish. If you definitely like your hair long and want to give it a modern touch, I recommend Mali's haircut. And if you also want to learn how to do the coloring, remember that the step-by-step guide for this coloring is also available here on my YouTube channel. I hope you definitely like this haircut and that you practice and master it. Remember, you can absolutely do it at home or anywhere you find yourselves. You can practice repeatedly and consistently practice the cuts, and remember that this is the foundation of learning. Girls and boys, practice this haircut and it will definitely, absolutely, surely look beautiful on you. Remember, don't be afraid to cut hair or perform chemical procedures. The only thing you need to do is practice and practice until you master the technique, and then keep practicing. See you in the next video, sending you a hug and many blessings. Bye.